Well, we all been there. Gotta do some soldering. And the water won't stop. Well, you could wait forever and dry it out with your torch. Or wait forever and let it drain. Or you can do this trick some people don't want to admit to. And that trick is jam a little bit of bread in. Yep, it's quite a trick, but it works. It doesn't really matter. The bread, once you turn the water back on, it'll come out. Sure, it'll be a little crappy for a couple minutes, but it comes out. So you just jam that bread in there, and then you can do your solder, then you can carry on. It's a good trick, saves a lot of time. Saves a lot of time. Stops the water. It works. Doesn't hurt anything, because the bread will break down once you turn the water back on. See y'all. Works like a charm.